Hey guys, what's going on? So we are back today with another taste test video. And the funny thing about these particular treats that I'm going to show you is this was actually going to be our next food taste test. And we opened these up last weekend when we shot our Easter video. And what these are, they are Brown's Tropical Carnival Crunchy Crisp Sticks. And I should mention that this is not a sponsored video. Brown's just sent us these treats to try. Because they're so interestingly colored, very bright colors, these long, thin straw type things, we thought they would be great in the Easter baskets. And the second I ripped open the package, I thought, oh no, we haven't shown these, we haven't done the taste test video for these treats yet. So as you can see, they're already open. I kind of taped the front up a little bit so you can see the name. But the birds have already tried these last week with their Easter baskets and they thoroughly enjoyed them. So these consist primarily of corn flour, rice flour, and oat flour, along with some added vitamins and colorings. And like with all snacks, they should not exceed 20% of your bird's daily diet. So these are certainly not a supplement for seeds or pellets or anything else. They are just simply a snack. And as you can see, they are sticks. They are very crisp and crunchy, and they are very brightly colored. So let's go give Pillow and Pearl a few more of these because they enjoyed them so much last week. Brendan and I just noticed that we both have birds on our clothing. And I actually noticed this when I put the shirt on, but it wasn't a planned thing. I just pulled the shirt out of my closet. And then he has the Phoenix emblem of the Liverpool Football Club. So you've got a phoenix, and I've got whatever these things are.
Those are crows.
Crows, okay, thank you. A flock of crows. Alright guys, come get some snacks. Remember these from your Easter baskets? So we're gonna break these up a little bit into smaller pieces and just kind of scatter them around. They were laying on the table last time when the birds had them and really liked them. Sharing crispy straws? Are you sharing crispy sticks? We've broken some of these up into smaller pieces for Pillow. He's having a little bit of trouble with the big pieces. He can only eat stuff that's really small. So fortunately they crunch up really easily. What are you doing, Hoppy? What are you hopping for? What are you hopping for, huh? You're just about to jump on my shoulder and realize you wanted to snack some more, huh? Yeah. So this has been our review of Brown's Tropical Carnival Crunchy Crisp Sticks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.